What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Cream the Rabbit from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. So we're going to go all the way around, back up. Let's add a small oval in the top and then we'll fill in the bottom in black. Now I want to draw a curve just up above the nose, starting on the left, going up, bend that down. I just want to curl this out towards the side of the cheeks, going down and then up. Just round out the cheeks and pull that back in. And then we'll round out the bottom of the head. Down in the middle, go across, and then up. Now the mouth in the center, we want to shift this up towards the right. So we're going to start on the left side, go across and bend it up higher on the right side, come down toward the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add a curve going up and out for the top in black. Now we're going to move up to the top and draw in the eyes. Let's leave a gap in the center. We're going to start with the left eye. We're going to start by going up, round out the top of the eye, come down and then in on top of the muzzle. Let's move over towards the right side and do the same thing, going up towards the same height, come down the side, and then bend that in. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval, going up, come down towards the bottom, and then back up. And then we'll line that up on the right side. Let's draw a smaller oval in the center for the pupil. And I'm going to add a small circle on the top of the pupil for a highlight. And I'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to surround the top and the side of the eyes with a thick eyelid. Let's start from the side and go up higher in the middle towards the top, and then bend that down on the inside. And we'll fill the inside in black. Now let's move out to the cheeks and draw the side of the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to curve this out, go up, and then in. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Going around the eye, go up, and then in. Let's blend in towards the ears. From the left side, bend this up, and then out. And then along the top, we're going to add a fold. So we're going to step back down, curve this out, come down and in, and then just bend that out toward the tip of the ears. Now we're going to draw the back side of the ear, coming in and then up underneath the head. Now I'm going to go back and add that thick trim around the eyes. Let's start from the inside. We're going to go up, go higher in the middle, come around the outside, and then bring that down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, round this out, come down the side, and then in towards the bottom. Let's add that long lash going across the side of the head. Starting from the left side, bend this down, and then up. Now I want to taper this so it gets thicker as it comes back in towards the eye, and we'll fill that in black. Now I'm going to leave a gap along the base of the ears and draw the top of the head. So we're going to move over, just going to round out the head, go across, and then down. Let's add that stripe in the center. Starting over on the left side, bend this down and in, round out that tip, go out, and then up. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the outside of the ear. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to bend this up, and then out, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to trace the ears along the outside. So I'm just going to bring this around the side and just follow that curve coming down towards the point. Let's round up the tip and then pull this back up underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. So go round this out, come down the side. And again, we're just going to round out the tip of the ear and pull this back in underneath the head. Let's add a seam across the outside of the ear with a curve, coming down and then in. Just underneath the head, we're going to add those two little points, starting from the side, coming down and in. I just want to bend this back up underneath the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Cream the Rabbit from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.